Here we have the Range Rover Sport HSE Dynamic finished in Loire Blue. This, in my opinion, the Range Rover Sport is one of the best cars on the market. This one is extra special because it's got 7 seats and it's also got rear entertainment. It's a very rare car. It's got great history and it's covered 73,000 miles. So what you've got at the front is daytime running lights. You've got front parking sensors. The vents are finished in black to make it stand out just a little bit more. Upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels. Side steps, electric folding mirrors finished in black. You've got an Indus silver roof. Keyless entry and exit, so if you want to press the button there, the keys in my hand, the mirrors will close and the doors will lock. To open it, just put your hand inside the handle and pull it open. You've got upgraded perforated leather seats, finished in ebony. Leather steering wheel, media centre, and I'll just quickly jump in. So what you've also got in here, it's keyless start too, so the keys in my hand, press the button. Panoramic roof, but on top of that, this one's a sliding pan roof, so press the button and the roof will fold right back. Entertainment centre in here too, so you've got a DVD player which you can watch from the front. This one's got a dual screen, so you can have a DVD playing, the driver can't see it but the passenger can, and you can control the rear entertainment from the inside, from the front for the back screens, which I'll show you in a second. You've got voice commands, heated seats, memory seats, electric seats, Bluetooth, automatic gearbox, terrain response here. You can raise and lower the height of the vehicle for ease of access. It's got literally everything on this. Meridian surround sound as well, which is a big one. I'll show you in the back. So in the back, rear entertainment, rear heated seats, upgraded leather in the back, also as well as the front. And if I just pull down the armrest in the middle, you've got cup holders there, and you've also got the control for the tellies in the back. Just quickly close that. Again, that is a huge feature. Rear entertainment and a 7-seater, very rare. You do not see that very often. Maybe I'll just turn the engine off quickly just so I can open the rear boot. So in the back, like I mentioned, 7 seats. You can put these up and down easily just with the buttons here. What you've got for the passengers in the rear seats, the back 2 seats, they've got their own charging sockets. So that's how you put them up and down, obviously the opposite button. And you just pull the headrest up like that, nice and easy to use. When they're down, again, plenty of room in the boot. To close the boot, just press the button and it shuts down. Rear camera, rear reversing sensors. The car's been really well looked after, the service history is really good. It will come fully serviced. The paintwork is fantastic. My number's on the screen. If you've got any more questions, please give me a call. Thanks for watching.